Meta Glasses POV recording tips. To get the best POV shots with your Meta Smart Glasses, make sure they fit snugly on your face so the camera stays steady. Look straight at your subject instead of tilting your head too much. This keeps the framing natural and aligned. Use commands like "Hey Meta, start recording" to keep your hands free and your movements fluid. For smoother footage, walk with a steady pace and avoid quick head turns. Record in well-lit environments to maximize video quality and keep your lenses clean for sharp visual. Finally, check your framing after a few test shots using the MetaView app to adjust your angle if needed. It is perfect for creators capturing real-life perspectives. So that's it.